What's up everybody, this is Thatcher with Grand Lake MarineMax. Today we're going to be doing a walkthrough on a 2023 Sea Ray 280 SLX. I'm going to take you around the exterior and the interior of this boat and show you everything it has to offer. So starting with the exterior of this boat, you're going to see it's going to have a horizon hull and a rally red gel stripe. It's a unique look but gives the boat an aggressive style. So follow me back to the transom of this boat. Now that we're back at the transom of this Sea Ray 280 SLX, we're going to start with the propulsion. This boat is going to be powered by a Mercruiser 8.2 liter mag, which is going to give you 380 horsepower. It's going to be plenty of horsepower to do everything you want to do out on the water. You're going to have your drop down ladder here at the back, and you're also going to have a very big swim platform, which is going to give you easy access in and out of the boat. So follow me to the back of the boat. Now that we're at the stern of this boat, you're going to see that this has a very extensive sun pad. This is going to give you plenty of entertainment space. You're also going to have ratcheting seat backs in this sun pad, which is a very cool design and gives you plenty of seating options while you're on the back of the boat. As you see, you're going to have plenty of cup holders. And making our way into the cockpit, Sea Ray did a great job using all of this space. You're going to notice that this boat has two in-floor coolers. This is going to make sure that you're not using any additional space with carry-on coolers. So that is a great design by Sea Ray. You're also going to notice that you have your Fusion audio remote here at the back of the boat. Keep all your entertainment back here without having to go inside the cockpit. You'll also see that there is your tower as well as platform switches. And you also have a very nice, with wood accent, dock step. So this is going to give you easy access in and out of the boat from the dock. Making our way into the cockpit, you're going to notice the vast amount of seating inside of this boat. Sea Ray also did a great job with the upholstery and the production line on this upholstery. They used a Cool Touch vinyl, which is going to stay 20% cooler than any other upholstery on the market. As we make our way in, you'll notice Sea Ray utilized a SeaDeck flooring. This is going to give you a great non-slip surface in your high traffic areas of the boat. Moving to the helm, you're going to notice your deluxe captain's chair as well as your co-captain's chair. These are going to be stocked with thigh bolsters, which gives you a great view over the bow of your boat. Now that we're at the helm, you're going to notice your dual Simrads, which gives it a very clean look, Fusion audio, and also some switches for your lighting, bilge, and other functions on your boat. You're also going to see that this boat does have the head unit with the upgraded head unit as well as SeaDeck in the floor. This is going to make sure that you can extend your days out on the water. So follow me up to the bow of this boat. Now that we're at the bow of the boat, I just want to point out a couple features that Sea Ray included on this as well as what we stocked with this boat. One of those is going to be the comfort bundle. So you'll notice in the back, you are going to have a table mount. This is going to be a table mount in the cockpit, and you're also going to have one in the bow of the boat. This is going to be great for entertainment purposes. While we're up here, you're also going to know the very nice armrest as well as your bow filler cushion that is also part of the comfort bundle included in this build. Right now we have the comfort bundle in, so we have your bow filler cushion. This is going to give a nice playpen style to the bow of this boat, which gives you plenty of space for seating. So thank you guys for tuning in and doing a walkthrough with me on this Sea Ray 280 SLX. Make sure to stop by Grand Lake MarineMax and take a look at one of these boats for yourself. And make sure to like and subscribe to these videos as well as future videos. Thank you.